Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, you may notice that I am, of course, chopping down my house. And there is a reason for that. And it's going to be a really stupid reason, but have you ever wanted to make a garden in an early part of the game, and it turns out that you don't have any iron to make a bucket to fill up your garden with some water? Well, that is what has happened. So we are doing exactly what you can see I'm doing right now to fix this. Alright, so of course, like and subscribe if you want to see more Minecraft videos. Let's get right into it. Even though we've already been doing it. Alright. Oh, look at the little piggy. Stupid pig. Off to the chop house. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Huh? Where's your mom, huh? Where's your mom now? Your mom can't save you now. Why can't I hit you? Stupid pig. Didn't even give me anything. This take forever. Ooh, horse? No, that's a cow. Go away. Nobody like. Ooh. No, it's not of mine. Curses. It's taking forever. Wow, it's only taking 2 minutes. Oh, and there goes my. I need a crafting bench. A crafting bench. Boop. Alright. Ah, dear. Okay. So we'll take this. Bottom. Perfect amount of sticks. And we'll make an X. And we're just gonna turn the rest of this into oak wood planks. Easier. Gives us more room. And back to chopping. Ah, weird angle. Crafting bench in the way. Alright, so let's just keep chopping. How much wood do I have? Probably enough, but it's always good to have some extra wood. Take it forever and ever and ever. Alright, so we're almost done. I've literally been holding the left click button on my mouse for 4 minutes now. Well, with a little break in between because I had to make my crafting bench, but close enough. Alright, now we're gonna pick up all this wood. Which of course we don't have enough room for, so let's clear this out. Get rid of that. And run away before you touch it. Oh. Alright. What else do we not need? And to say, don't need that. Get that out of here. Alright. Now let's run around, pick up all the rest of this stuff. And adios! I'll have to find some water. Zombie. Ah! Gotta go. Ooh, perfect. Thinking we could probably canal. No. Or, actually, yes, good idea. Alright, so what we're gonna do instead, forget about it now. Oops. Alright. Oops. I'm drowning! Someone save me! Oh, there you go. Alright. Oh, that works. Now. Oh, oops. Take all this and just hold it. Oh, I said the dog. Trying to get all the yarn in my house. So, I'm hoping this will work. I don't quite know. But, it should work though, right? Because it's touching the water. Oh my god. Yeah, see, it's touching water. And I don't think it'll work. Why don't we just, like, do all that, you know? Put a few extra layers in there. Now I'm about to drown myself. Ugh. What are you doing? Get out of there, you! Oh no. Oh, perfect. We have the perfect map. Voodoo. Alright, perfect. Now we need a hoe. So, I'm thinking we're gonna take all this, set all this down. Alright. Ooh. Nah, we don't want to go too far. So I'm thinking we're gonna probably, yep, right here. Clear out all this. That way. How's that looking? Is that enough room? Yeah, definitely. Alright, and 5. Wait, how do I crouch? I do wonder. Oh, no, those are mine. Don't touch those. Oh, is it shift? It is shift. Work, y'all. Let's go. Oh, no, no sticky keys. No, no sticky keys. You wackadoo. So, oh man. We're gonna make a double doorway. Alright. So, it's coming to a nighttime. So let's grab the bed. Throw that down. And, oh, we don't want any mean mobs coming in, so. No zombies out now. Gosh, that was annoying. Oh, no. Whoa, that is totally wrong. Wait. Oh, man, that might be a problem. Oh, no, Reaper. Okay, fine. There's the skeleton. How does he not see me? Yo, skeleton, I'm over here. Can't you see me? Of course you can't. You're too blind. You see me? I can see you. Actually, I can't anymore. Alright, we're done. Ah, what the world? Get out of here, you stupid zombie. Or skeleton, whatever you... What? How did you get in? Get out of there. This is my world, bully. Don't you dare. And then, actually, that's a good idea. And then, so that he doesn't get any tricky ideas, I'm just gonna... What in the world? Get off my world, what? Get out of here! What is your problem? Get out of my house! He broke into my house. I need a roof. Ah, forget about jump in space. Load her up. Why am I not sleeping? I'm done. Oh my gosh! Oh, that's why you gotta make it jump in space. Duh. Why are we down to 1 heart? Alright. Okay. What's there? Man, you would think that I would have gone to my garden by now. Clearly not. And another one. That's a joke. And ouch! Alright, so we got about 2 more minutes left until my video ends. Oh, we're just gonna finish up this. Don't really care about windows right now. Then, now, we gotta create a hoe. Oh. Alright, now we have our hoe, so let's... Whoa, give me that hoe back, you! Alright, so, you guys say each around where our garden was. So, I'm just gonna go around here. I hope this is where our garden is. Water is. Hey. Something's a bit fishy. What? That's fishy. It absorbed all the water. That's rigged. Alright, so we got a better idea. So we're gonna take some dirt. You know, oh my gosh, get that out of here.